You run a backtest on a new trading strategy. The equity curve goes up and to the right. You deposit live funds, turn the system on, and the market immediately shatters your account into a dozen margin calls. It is tempting to blame the broker or assume the market is rigged against you, but the reality is that your testing environment is running a simulation of a market that doesn't actually exist. If you are using the default every tick setting in MetaTrader 4, you are operating on 90% modeling quality. That means the software is interpolating, or guessing, what happened inside every 1-minute candle. In modern markets, that missing 10% of price action is exactly where high-frequency, AI-driven liquidity sweeps occur. This chart highlights the danger of relying on static spreads. On the left, we see an equity curve built on the assumption that a spread stays fixed at 1.5 pips. On the right, we see that exact same strategy plotted against actual live market conditions, complete with execution delays and AI sweeps. During a high volatility event, that 1.5 pip spread can balloon to 12 pips in a matter of milliseconds. A scalping system that looks flawless on static data will bleed out from transaction costs alone in the real world. Without factoring in variable execution delays and realistic spread widening, you are running calculations on a fantasy. To accurately model a high-frequency environment, the first step is completely bypassing the historical data your broker provides by default. This scorecard shows the mandatory requirements for institutional testing. You need 99.9% real tick data sourced from specialized third-party providers like Tick Data Suite to accurately map historical spread widening and latency. This external data also guarantees accurate GMT offsets. A 1-hour error in your data feed will make a London breakout strategy look highly profitable, when in reality it is entering trades during the dead volume of the Asian session. Third-party data also allows you to introduce slippage factors into your test, forcing your strategy to account for prop firm server lag and order execution delays. If your system targets an average win of 10 pips, adding a realistic 1.5 pip delay to your entry and exit parameters strips 30% off your net profit instantly. Applying this single delay metric reveals that thousands of commercially available scalping algorithms actually lose money the second they hit a live server. Paying for and integrating institutional-grade tick data takes extra time, but it provides the only mathematical filter capable of protecting your actual capital from hidden execution costs. Once your data is clean, you face a software choice. Testing human discipline and testing mathematical logic require entirely different tools. Let's start with the manual, discretionary trader. Your edge comes from pattern recognition, chart reading, and strict personal execution. For you, the top-tier tools are Forex Tester 6 or Soft4FX. These programs operate as manual, bar-by-bar replay engines. You feed the high-quality tick data in, and then you play the market forward at an accelerated speed. You will sit down and manually click your way through a 400-pip trend retracement on the pound-yen, candle by candle, experiencing the time decay and the price swings. The goal here is psychological conditioning. By repeatedly forcing yourself to execute according to your rules while a simulated trade goes against you, you build the mental calluses needed to hold a real position through a deep drawdown.
Reading an algorithm report showing a 20% drawdown teaches you nothing about how your stomach drops when real money is on the line. For manual execution, your software is a psychological simulator. You run it until the act of taking a loss and sticking to the plan becomes entirely routine. If you use a centaur approach, where you use artificial intelligence to generate code and manage complex quantitative portfolios, your software requirements scale up massively. Today, quantitative traders are using large language models like Claude to write complex MQL5 logic. They take that code and deploy it into platforms like MetaTrader 5 or QuantConnect. These modern platforms utilize cloud-based parallel processing. This allows your computer to run tens of thousands of different parameter combinations for your strategy, all at exactly the same time. But having the computational power to test every possible variable introduces the single highest point of failure in algorithmic trading: curve fitting. Curve fitting happens when you adjust your indicators, like changing a 20-period moving average to a 21-period average, specifically because it produces a flawless historical profit chart. When you apply those highly specific settings to a live, adaptive market, the system immediately fails. To separate a robust strategy from a curve-fitted fantasy, you have to apply walk-forward analysis. This graphic shows how the process filters out bad logic. You optimize your strategy on one specific chunk of data, say 2023 to 2024. Then you lock those parameters and run them on a completely blind, untouched period, like the first half of 2025. If the strategy collapses during the blind test, you throw it out. It has zero predictive power and was merely optimized for the exact volatility conditions of the previous 2 years. You should follow that up with Monte Carlo simulations, which scramble the historical sequence of your trades to prove your profit wasn't just the result of a lucky, random streak of early winners. Cloud computing lets you generate infinite trading ideas, but rigorous out-of-sample testing guarantees you only risk capital on the ones that actually work. The tech stack you choose ultimately comes down to whether you are stress testing your own psychological reactions or the mathematical validity of your code. This matrix outlines the exact tools you need. We've mapped execution style against your primary testing goal. If you execute manually, get Forex Tester 6. Replay chaotic market structures until the act of holding through a 50-pip drawdown feels completely boring. If you run algorithms, deploy MetaTrader 5 and tick data, but mandate walk-forward analysis to protect yourself from your own confirmation bias. Regardless of your style, you have to adopt a zero-tolerance policy for low modeling quality and static spreads. Because once you've spent weeks rigorously validating your edge, you have to execute it. And your live broker cannot be the weak link that destroys your mathematical advantage. By executing with FXNX and the NX1 account, you get 0.0 pip spreads and ultra-fast execution. This directly neutralizes the exact slippage and spread widening variables you just spent weeks modeling against in your backtests. Backtesting software is an incredible flight simulator, but deploying that validated edge on a high-integrity, low-latency platform is what turns theory into capital.